Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some yarny goodness. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel, and I am so glad to have each and every one of you here. Today's video, I would like to show you maybe 3 finished objects, 2 things I had gotten in the mail, and I think that might be all. Okay, so grab you a cup of coffee, grab you some tea, or whatever it is that you'd like to drink, and sit back and relax, and let's just enjoy some yarny talk. Okay, so today's video, the first thing I'd like to show is, well, I may insert a clip here of my grandbaby's, gender reveal. There we go, of the gender reveal. And so I did have a clip of going to the doctor's office, and then a clip of doing the actual reveal. And now we did do the reveal. We had Facebook Live, and I'm not sure how to save that from Facebook, but I'd like to have a clip of that I include here. But I will find out how to do that, or if I can. And so if I can, I will include that in this clip, but go ahead and watch this. Hello, I'm on my way to the doctor's office to meet my daughter. Today we are going to do the reveal, but she is not going to know. So we're going to keep that a secret from her for about a day. So actually, we're going to go eat lunch after the doctor visit, and I'm going to hopefully not know what it is until after we eat, because I don't think that I could get through the dinner without, you know, maybe revealing it somehow. I don't trust myself unless the doctor tells me, you know, there's nothing I can do about it. But if he puts it on a piece of paper and it's something that I can take with me, I will look at it after the little lunch thing. But anyway, I want to show you guys. Look what I got. I brought my colors because I don't know what it's going to be. So I got one of each, and that way I can start making a hat and a pair of baby booties. Because at the reveal party, that's what I'm going to do as part of the reveal, is have a little baby hat and baby shoes, baby booties. And the party is tomorrow, like at 8 o'clock. And so I got to whip this up. And I want to get started on it. So yeah, I just brought it with me. I will see you guys later. Okay, so I just got out of the gender reveal. Well, actually, we went and had lunch, and we are on our way home. So it's here's the colors. Which one do you think it's going to be? Okay. Is it going to be pink? Is it going to be blue? Okay. Make sure my daughter's car is not around anywhere. Okay, we have a winner. Woo! We're having a little boy. So it's going to be so much fun. All right, I just want to share that with you guys. I told you. Woo! What did I say? Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that. So as you can tell in the clip, it's a boy. So she is texting me all kinds of little boy names, and so that is what we're making. So the first thing that I have made in the clip, the Facebook clip one, I made a little boy hat. Let's see if I have the paper here. And I don't have it in here with me, but it's like a divine hat. It was similar to this right here. Now this is medium 3-weight yarn, and I just grabbed some scrap paper, some scrap yarn that Nancy Dormeyer had given me. And here's some of it right here. And anyway, so I tested it and I made this with it. Well, I felt like it was a little too big. And so I found this in my stash. I love this yarn. And of course, it's a thicker weight. So what I did is I went ahead and remade the hat and just used a smaller hook. And yeah, I think I used everything else was the same. I went the same amount of rows and all that. And I do not have that to show you, but I will try to insert a picture of the little hat and booties that that was given to her at the gender reveal party. But the hat it was like this, but in this shade of blue right here. And it is so cute. And the baby booties, I made, the bottom part is blue, and then I made it blue and white striped. And then you just roll it over, and the top part was a solid blue. So anyway, so that was at the gender reveal. Okay, so the other thing is Yarn Joy Podcast. She has a crochet along with Esther the Elephant. So I made the elephant. And I actually made this on a Saturday and a little bit of a Friday night because I found out on a Friday. And so I did it. I wanted to wait to find out the gender, so I did it in the blue. Now, I stitched the legs on, not just here, but kind of around here too, so that it would stay seated. The only problem I feel like that I messed up on are the eyes. I did not have 15 millimeter eyes, and the actual placement was supposed to be here, not here. And so, but you know, she said she doesn't care. It's going to sit up on a shelf, and it is the baby's first elephant. So we're going to stay with it. I'm not going to redo it, but you guys know I'm a perfectionist, and that bothers me that the eyes are too far back. But if she's happy, then I'm happy. So we're going to stay with it. So this is technically the baby's first, I don't know what you call it. I know it's a stuffed animal, but whatever it is to sit up in the room, decoration for the room, because the room is going to be in elephants. She wants navy blue, and I told her, I said, well, I'd already done it in baby blue. She said she don't care. She's fine. So anyway, so we have that. That was, I had a lot of fun with that. So I'll leave Yarn Joy Podcast. I'll leave the link below in the description box in case you're interested in doing that. But I used I love this yarn for the little pads on it. And the color of this is called medium blue. And then I used some of this Never Enough yarn. There's the color. And it is called light gray. And they're both medium 4-weight yarn. And this has 716 yards. And I think I paid like $3 for this at Michael's. And so that was the gray. Okay, and then the other thing that I have finished, you could say, is my free pattern for my doll clothes. So all you doll clothes lovers out there, the free pattern for October. I was really wanting something Halloween accessory, but I don't know. This is what I came up with, and it's not Halloween. So, but this will be the free pattern. And I modeled it after my pocket shawl. And so there it is. So it has the same technique, you know, but done in a wrap for the dolls. So I'm pretty excited about that. And let's see. I'm not sure if I bought this or if Nancy bought this yarn. I can't remember. But there it is up close. It has glitter in it. It is so pretty. It looks so good on the dolls. So that's the free pattern. If you're an email subscriber to adoringdollclothes.com, that's the free pattern that you will be getting. Okay, so the other thing is my Annie's came in. I think this is Annie's. Yes, it's my Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club. And so here's the yarn. And there's the picture. And you know, I look forward to this. I do like this. I love the colors. Nice, you know, fall colors. It's called the Braided Cow. I like it, but I probably will not braid it. So I don't know how I'm going to do it. Instead of, I may make mine so much in one color, so much in another color, and so much in another color. I don't know until I actually look at it. But it's very pretty. It just seems bulky. All braided up like that. It just seems bulky. But I'll see. I'll check it out. But I do like it. It's the Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club. I do have an affiliate link for them, and I'll leave it in the description box. And it has like a discount. If you order your first month, then I'm not sure what the discount is. It may be that it's $9.99 or something like that. And sometimes they have it if you order your first month, it's free that month. And then sometimes they're $5. So it just depends on what special they're running. So if you want to click on the link to see what the monthly price is, and then of course it's just like a lot of the other clubs, you can cancel or put on hold as needed. But this is one of my favorites, is the Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club. That, and I really like the Mary Maxim. So here are the 3 colors. I think they're very pretty. And it is the Premier Anti-Peeling. And you guys know I like this yarn. It's the Everyday Worsted. 153 yards in here. Medium 4 weight. And the color is Donahue. That's for this one right here. So the good thing is that if I do like this pattern, I have more of this yarn that I could group 3 colors together and make this pattern again. 153 yards is pretty much the same. The color is Cappuccino. And I think that's very pretty. And then you got your cream color here. And it's called Cream. So there they all are. So I really like this month. It's really pretty. I like the way that the way they throw that gray in there with it. It's really pretty. So I'll have to see whether I want that one to go to be braided or not. I just don't like stuff bulky. Okay, and then the other monthly club, you guys know that I do the Ipsy, and this is for the makeup lovers, all you makeup lovers out there. The thing with Ipsy, I do have a link that you can click on and you can sign up. And they have like 2 options. They got it like a full size, and then they got the trial size, and I do the trial size. But my trial size, guys, look, I get full stuff. So, and some things are just, you know, the small stuff. But I'm not an affiliate with it or anything like that. So if you click on it, I do get reward points to purchase other stuff, but I'm not an affiliate of it or anything. But in this gorgeous, you have burgundy on one side, and then you have the gold on the other. And look at their zipper, and they say, it says Ipsy. I just love this. This bag has to be probably one of my favorites. And then they say Ipsy on the inside. This would be real good. I can't remember what I pay a month, maybe $12 a month, I guess. But anyway, so they gave me this full-size brush. And my goodies inside, you know, the eyeshadow, which is pretty much the same color I have here. In fact, the one I'm wearing now is from Ipsy. Then you get Georgette Glinger Volcanic Mineral Scrub. There's that came in it. And I think this was mascara. I think, if I remember. That was mascara. And then you get some more of that Hemp's. You know, last time I got the hand lotion, which I am still using that. But this one is for the lips. So, and that looks full size to me. So anyway, so all you little makeup lovers, you know, if you like getting that little monthly bag, which, you know, of sample stuff, then there you go. Okay, so I hope you guys have enjoyed that. I was pretty excited to get to show some of my finished objects on. And coming this week, I have a washcloth tutorial, and I have a hook review. I had a company to send me a little container of hooks and little needles and things like that in it. So I'm pretty excited to show that to you guys. I have been using those hooks all week and all weekend, testing them out to make sure, you know, before I do a review on them. So I will show you the results of what I thought about that. So I am pretty excited about showing that to you guys, because I like introducing new stuff to all of you, because I know that whenever I watch your videos and you're introducing new stuff to me, I like that. It gives me ideas and lets me know what's out there that I didn't know was out there, you know, that kind of stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy when I do that as well. And I hope that my things that I make and stuff, you know, inspire you guys. The shawl that I'm wearing is a shawl in the ball, and this is a pattern that I have a tutorial out. It's a free tutorial, but you can also buy the pattern if you'd like. And so this is it right here. It's the shawl in a ball, shawlette. So I'll leave the link to that below in the description box. Okay, so today's little Bible scripture before we end this video, it says, gentleness that defies. Remind the people to be subject to rulers and authorities, to be obedient, to be ready to do whatever is good, to slander no one, to be peaceful and considerate, and always to be gentle towards everyone. I do believe that the Lord is speaking to us like in our days, like now. Oh my gosh, that is pretty awesome. That's Titus 3:1 and 2. It says, gentle Father, your patience and tenderness are so much more than I deserve. I know you wish me to behave with the gentleness you show to me. I want that too. And when everything is going well, my responses are often tender and understanding. When the pressure is on, though, I can be short-tempered, impatient, and harsh at times. Show me this tendency as soon as it awakens, Lord, so I can call upon your gentle spirit to respond on my behalf. Fill me with the gentleness that defies my circumstances, so I can reflect your loving attitude no matter what comes my way. Yeah, I like that one a lot. That's a good one. Of course, they're always good, but that just is so fitting with what, you know, that's going on in the world today. So, yeah, so that's all that I have. I appreciate all the comments. I love them. And anything I talked about, I'll leave the links in the description box. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed making this video. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.